Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. Welcome to 3 licks. So I'm gonna do 3 licks in this. It's in the key of C. The song is actually in the key of C, and it's suitable for a 1-5-4-5 kind of progression. So that's the C chord here on the. I'm barring on the 12th fret, and I'm forming a C shape, C form. Okay. Okay, now I look for the 5th, which is this. Let's see that my 5th is G, which is here, another C shape. Okay, so my first, I'm gonna put my glasses on first, and so these are my positions. Let's C there and G here. Okay, so I'm gonna play there, and I'm gonna play. This is another C down here. Second shape, the A shape. Okay, so let's see what I'm gonna play here first. I'm gonna play a lick here, and then I move to here, and I move to there. Okay, so those are the places, and that's gonna be beautiful. So the first lick is. So that's how it goes. Then the last one is. Okay, that's the last lick there. So I've got three licks on there, G, and on C, and on another C there. Okay, so let's repeat that, and I'll be explaining to you now what I'll be doing. So the first lick is there. Now if you were to do a do re mi fa sol, this is a major chord, major scale. Do ti la sol. Okay, so that's the 5th there. So you form that chord, which is G major. Now you go on to the 6th. If you're considering the G major chord, it's second. So you come here. So just look at that. Okay, the good thing about the lick is you just stick your hands there, and these 2 fingers, you don't move them. You can play around with these 2 here. The fingers number 3 and 4. Fingers number 1 and 2 are just fixed there, forming that 5th there. Now you would actually be changing chord. There you are actually implying this chord here, which is and you're back there. And the other one you are implying. So the chord for that G there. Okay, so that's the thing. You go to the 5th. back to that. Now this lick here, you can take it down to the G, to an octave. Okay, once you take here, you can you hear the sound is nicer. Okay, oh, that's it. And the second lick, it's on the key of C there, C major. It goes. So you're hitting the fifth here, string number 3, then the second and the fifth. There's a bit of choking. Then you go to the third, second, and root. Then you fret a chord, which is the fourth here, the fourth of. Then you just hit the third. Do that again. 5, 3, 2, 1. Probably trying to accent this. There's a pentatonic scale here, major pentatonic scale, which is. So you're playing those pentatonic notes, which are this and that. Okay, those major pentatonic notes. So we are just leaving out one pentatonic note anyway. So let's go again. Then the chord. You can actually. Because this, you've just taken a unison first to, so you can play it that way there as well, huh? Okay, so that's the second lick. The third lick comes here, just there. So you go. You slide. You slide that note there, just, and you take off. And when you take off, you put the first finger, you fret on fret number 15 there. So this is 11, 12, sorry, that's 13, 14, 15. I always call this one fret number 11. Okay, that's fret number 13 there. Okay, so you go here. So you're playing with these notes here. I might call them if I want to express them in terms of thirds, maybe. So you're playing with those thirds there, which means you're. So the only thing that you need to be careful about concerning this one is the slide that you're doing. The slide is coming from fret number 15, and before it reaches 17, it just, the finger just picks up like that. It's like a cave, you know. Yeah, that goes that way. Okay. I'm trying to over demonstrate it, but as soon as that takes off, the first finger comes in. Third finger takes off, the first finger comes in. Now if you look at that, this is our root. Do, re, mi, fa. So you're playing with this fifth, sixth, and the fourth and the third. 5, 6, 4 and 3. Okay. And this one. Making a mistake here. Okay, that's it. That's the danger of thinking of another lick when you're playing a lick. So I was just thinking of another lick here and I wanted to play it. Thank you very much. My name is Vakile. So make sure you practice these 3 licks and put them under your fingers. Cheers. Bye.